Welcome to another video. Today we have something very cool, super interesting video for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to unlock the network of your phone to use it with any carrier. This is gonna be useful if you wanna switch providers and use your phone with any other SIM card, any other carrier in any country. So it's gonna be compatible worldwide. So this is by far the best way to unlock your phone. I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. Now this will work regardless if your phone is still under contract or out of contract. It doesn't really matter. Without further ado, let's start. So the first thing you have to do is to get your phone's IMEI number. That's like the serial number of your cell phone. So we're gonna open the dial pad and we're gonna dial *#06#. As you will see, your IMEI number will appear in the screen. We're gonna use only the first 15 digits. So we're gonna use this number in a few seconds. Keep it somewhere close. Okay, now we're gonna switch to the computer. And in this website, we will request the unlock code to unlock this phone or any other phone you want to unlock. So we're gonna start by filling up the information here. As you can see here, there is a form. And now you just have to wait. You have to wait until they send you your unlock code. This may take 5 minutes and up to 3 or 10 business days. It depends on every brand. I'm going to show you my personal email account so that you can see how the email will look like. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.